Hi, I am Yogesh Gute. Today's topic is digestive system. Digestive system is a complex system that breaks down food into nutrients and can absorb into the bloodstream and caused by body for energy, growth and repair. Here's a detailed explanation how in the below. Mouth. Digestive digestive digestion begins in the mouth where food is chewed and mixed with saliva, which contains enzymes that start breaking down carbohydrates. Second one is esophagus. After being chewed and swallowed, food travels down the esophagus, a muscular tube that connects the mouth of the stomach. Third one is stomach. Stomach is a food mixed with gastric juice, which contains acid, hydrochloric acid, and enzymes that continue the breakdown of foods. The stomach also acts as a storage organ, holding food units. It is ready to move into the small intestine. Fourth one is small intestine. Small intestine is where most of the digestive and absorption of nutrient occurs. The pancreas secretes digestive enzymes into a small intestine to further break down carbohydrates, proteins and fats. The liver produces bile which is stored in the gallbladder and released into the small intestine to aid in the digestion and absorption of fats. Fifth one is large intestine. The remaining undigested food move into the large intestine where water and electrolytes are absorbed and the remaining material is formed into the feces. Sixth one is rectum and anus. Feces are stored in the rectum until they are expelled from the body throughout the anus during defecation. The digestive system is important several reasons. Nutrients absorption. It breaks down food into nutrients such as carbohydrates, protein, fat, vitamins and minerals that can be absorbed into the bloodstream and used by the body for energy, growth and repair. Second one is energy production. By breaking down food, the digestive system provides the body with the energy it needs to function. Third one is waste removal. It helps eliminate waste and toxins from the body throughout the excretory of feces. Fourth one is immune function. The digestive system play a very important role in function of preventing harmful substances from entering the bloodstream and by using immune cells that helps to protect against infection. Fifth one is gut-brain connection. There is a close connection between the digestive system and brain known as gut-brain axis, which play a role in the regulatory mood, emotions and even cognitive functions. Next one is metabolic regulation. The digestive system also play a very important regulating metabolism and maintaining a healthy balance of hormones and neurotransmitters. Throughout the digestive process, smooth muscle construction called peristaltic movement, food and waste throughout the digestive tract. Hormones and nerve signals regulate the digestive process, ensuring that food is broken down and absorbed efficiently. The digestive system is play a very important role in our body. The get food into the mouth, they are mixing with saliva and transferred in the esophagus and they are they are placed in stomach. Stomach is a dilute is hydrochloric acid. They are mixed and absorption of food आणि pancreas secretion, bile juice secretion, and the absorption of food, carbohydrates, protein, fats, minerals, and they transfer into the small intestine. They are also absorption of minerals, protein, fat, and the big particle of the food is travel in the large intestine. That water and some compounds, they are minerals is absorbed, and that get passed to into anus and excrete. Thank you.